Good morning from Volcano Bay. We made it in. We got here for early park hours, which are only a half hour early at Volcano Bay, but we got in early enough to find some great seats in the back under a something that what is this called?
Shady thing.
Under a shady thing. So we'll hopefully have chairs in the shade all day long that we can come back to. All right, you guys, we are back at the hotel. Man, it has been a good day. So today was our day at Volcano Bay, as you could see, and it was so much fun. We did utilize early park hours for Volcano Bay. The early park hours for Volcano Bay start at 9:30 and the park officially opens at 10. So I don't know the reason for that, but it's just a half hour early rather than a full hour. But it seemed like plenty. So we got there right at 9:30. We left dockside at like 9:15 and shuttled over, so we were on property by 9:30. We did have to go through security and check in and actually walk into the park. I did not look at exactly what time it was by the time we officially got in the park, but it was not busy yet. In fact, we were able to find a great spot kind of in front of the volcano, but at the very back, like behind all the rows of seats. We were the very last row, and we were able to get under one of those awning things so that we had shade all day long. Every time we went back to our seats for a little break, we could be in the shade. So highly recommend you find some of those. They're usually in the back. Wherever you see a bunch of chairs, all the way in the back is where those options would be. And we did see some of those scattered throughout the park. So I do just want to let you know, if you go to Volcano Bay, if you can get in early, great, you'll have your pick of chairs and everything. But if you get in late and you notice that it's already quite busy, just remember that you can keep walking to the back of the park, and there's lots more sections of chairs and lots more seating options. Don't think that you're limited to only the big sections that you see right in front of the volcano. As we got our seats, we were able to head straight to some slides. We did some of the drop slides, or I think they're called the body slides, and yeah, I don't remember the names of all of them. They have really unique names, awesome names that stick with the theme of Volcano Bay, which I love, but I can't remember all of the names. But anyway, we did the first one, which was, the blue body slide, and there's a blue and a green one. The blue is supposed to be slightly less intense and the green slightly more intense, but the green was being worked on. So we didn't go on the green, we went on the blue. And it is a slide, you guys, where you stand in the tunnel, like the tube, and they shut you in, you cross your arms, you cross your feet, you tip your head back, and the floor falls out from underneath you and you fall into the slide. And it is so scary and so awesome all at the same time. But this one was one where you drop and then you turn and twist and wind around before you come out at the bottom. So that was the first one we did, and it was amazing. Then immediately after that, we went to the most epic one. I think it's the scariest for sure. And this one I think was called the I'm gonna butcher it, but Ko-Awani or Ko-Okiki or something, body slide. And this is the red one. Well, it's red at the top and it's clear all the way down, but it's one that when you look at the front of the volcano, if you look closely, you can see the tube that comes through. And so this is a similar ride. You get in the tube, you stand on the floor, cross your arms, cross your feet, and then the floor drops out from under you and you fall straight down. So this one has no winds, no turns, but it goes straight down. I will have to see, maybe read the description of this video just in case I can gather some more information for you, but it is quite the drop. So you drop all the way down and then you shoot out at the bottom. It does not take very long. I mean, I don't even know, maybe like 5 seconds because you drop so fast, but it is quite the rush. That was Joshua's favorite. It was probably my second or third favorite. I really like it, but it does make me nervous leading up to it. Then after that, we were able to utilize our Tapu Tapu bracelets, and we went over to the Krakatoa water coaster and utilized Tapu Tapu. We were able to just get in the wait line. It's kind of like a virtual queue using the Tapu Tapu. And then we were able to go ride the Tiawa Fearless River. And I think this was up there for my favorite, but it is an amazing river that it's not like a lazy river, it's a little more intense. So there's rapids and waves, and it's just a little more intense. You're not on a tube, you actually need to wear a life jacket, and you just kind of float around and get tossed all over the place, and it is a lot of fun. And then we were able to ride that water coaster as well, and that water coaster was so fun, you guys. It was so fun. Then we also hit up some of the tube slides, the Hanu and Iki Moana. I do remember the name of those two, and those ones were really fun. The blue one was Hanu, and that one was pretty intense, much more than we expected.
Here we go! There's birds.
We just had a lot of fun all day long. We got in some more just riding on the Rapids River, the Fearless River, and then also the Lazy River a little bit as well. Joshua did the crazy body drop slide a second time because he loved it so much. And then I actually did the water coaster a second time too because I really loved that one. And you guys, we had perfect weather. There was some cloud cover on and off throughout the day, which was kind of nice just because we've been baking in the sun almost every day so far this trip. But yeah, it was amazing. And now we are just here at the hotel, just wrapping up another day of vacation. You guys, it is going way too fast. I guess vacation always does, but it is just flying by, but we are having so much fun. So thankful for this time, so grateful to be making more memories and going on just more adventures. What we have left of this trip is 3 more days in the parks. We are most likely going to keep park hopping between islands and studios. We can go back to Volcano Bay with our tickets, but I don't know that we will. We might just stick to the other parks and try to make sure we get in all the rides and shows that we want. And then we'll be getting ready to head home. But you guys, it has been amazing. The weather's been amazing. Just loving it here in Florida. Loving the experience of being at Universal. All of their parks are so you just get immersed into the themes and the experience of it, and it is amazing. So I do want to shout out to Monica. She goes by Monica the Mouse Trip Traveler. That is the travel agent and my friend that we went through to book this trip. She's awesome. She helped make sure we were prepared for this trip. So I'm going to link her information below. Definitely reach out to her if you are planning a Universal trip. Also, if you're planning a Disney trip, she actually specializes in Disney as well, and she is starting to get into all-inclusive resorts too, so it's not just Universal, but definitely reach out to her. All right, you guys, it has been such a fun-filled day. I need to go get some sleep, some rest, so we can get up and have more fun tomorrow. So we'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
That's gonna be the best video.